Hi there, welcome to the Garden Style channel. Today we gonna learn grow a salad garden in 30 days. Fresh, green and fast. Beginning friendly. Let's get into it. Imagine stepping out your garden, harvesting fresh salad green just 30 days from now. It's absolutely possible. And this video I will show you exactly how to grow a thriving salad garden quickly. Whether you have sprawling backyard or just a sunny balcony. Now understand the fast growing salad greens. The key of a 30 days salad lies in choosing the right varieties. We are focusing on fast growing greens like a loose leaf lettuce which you are start harvesting leaf by leaf very quickly. Spanish, peppery arugula quickly maturing radish for a bit of crunch, baby kale and even slightly spicy of mustard greens. These are all excellent choices that can adapt well to the various conditions, provided we give them the right start. Let's talk about choosing your location and preparing your soil. Salad greens generally prefer at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Choosing a spot that receives morning sun which is less intense. Prepare your soil by loosening it well and mixing up plenty of a good quality compost. For container of gardening, use a well drainage potting mix amended with compost. Good soil is crucial for fast and healthy growth. Now for the exciting part, sowing or seeds. For most salad greens, direct sowing is perfectly fine. Sow seeds according to the package instruction, paying attention to the spacing and depth. Gently water the soil after the sowing. Be careful not to wash away the tiny seeds. Keep the soil continuously moisture, not waterlogged throughout the germination period, which is usually quite quick. Now, let's talk about watering your salad garden. Watering is crucial. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch deep. If it is still dry, it's time to water. Water deeply and less frequently rather than swallowing and often, encouraging the strong root growth. In container, you might need to water more frequently. Early morning or late evening watering is generally best to minimizing evaporation. As your seed emerge, you will need to thin them out accordingly the seed packet instruction. This gives each plant enough space to grow and prevent overcrowding. Regularly remove any weeds that pop up as they can compete with your salad greens for nutrition and water. A light feeding with diluted liquid fertilizer a couple of weeks after the germination can give them a boost. And now for the reward harvesting. For loose leaf latte and the baby kale, you can start picking individually outer leaves as soon as they are the decent size. For Spinach and arugula, you can harvest larger bunches by cutting them about an inches above the soil. The wonderful thing about many salad greens in their cut and come again. Naturally, they will keep producing new leaf for a multiple harvesting if you leave the center ground intact. To enjoy a continuous supply of a fresh salad, practice succession planting. Swallow a small branch of seed every couple of weeks. As the weather gets hotter, some safe during the harshest part of the afternoon can help prevent bolting. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting common issues. Keep an eye out of the common issues. Aphids can be sometimes be a problem. A gentle spray of the soapy water can be helpful. Protect young seedlings from snake and snails with physical barriers. Slightly yellowing leaves might be indicated or needed for a little extra nutrients. And there you have it, your very fresh salad garden, ready in about 30 days. There is nothing quite like a taste of a home ground greens. Experiment with the different varieties and enjoy the fruit, or should I say leaf, for your labor. So, are you ready to grow your own delicious, nutritious salad garden? It is easier than you think. Let me know in the comments what greens you are planning to grow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, rewarding gardening tips. Thank you.